Hi, it's Victoria Rose here. Good morning. I'm gonna do another dress up. I think this time I'm gonna do Sonya Blade from Mortal Kombat. I think that's what I'm gonna do. And then I'm gonna go out in the streets of Los Angeles. I got this costume from HalloweenCostumes.com, so you guys can check that out if you want to know where to get the costume. And then I got a wig from Trendywigs. So let's begin. The first thing I'm gonna do is dress up. So there's a lot of components to this costume. I'm just gonna do a little bit of a black stuff around the eye, blend it in a little bit, make the eyebrows a little sharper, I feel like. Okay, so I got my full outfit on and I did my makeup, just kind of black, like, whatever. And now for the final touch, Trendywigs. So she has like blondish hair, so I got some blondish hair from Trendywigs, kind of blonde. And she has it back in a ponytail, so we're gonna do that. And then just put the wig around it. Okay, so this is the wig. I kind of tied it back a bit to hide my dreadlocks. Stick this one in there. Kind of just give her some front bangs. Oh, that's not even. Biggest struggle is trying to contain my dreads. They just want to be out and about all the time. I don't know.
Why put your hands up? You're under arrest.
No, because I'm sweating really bad and it's not really like cool. I feel like Sonya Blade. Sweating at the moment. Gotta try that again.
Ow.
No!
Oh!
That's right. Try it again. Let's see.
I'm trying to get a date for Halloween.
I'm trying to get a Halloween date, but I feel like my wig's not really that attractive. And I feel like they're gonna be like, oh, she looks really nervous because I'm sweating a lot, and it's like actually showing.
Actually.
It's like apocalyptic though, because like people sweat.
Turn to the side.
No, we can't point that out.
It's actually getting worse, Victoria.
I know it's getting worse. Don't remind me.
Victoria?
Yes?
What's going on here?
I'm sweating a lot. It's really hot out here. Do you think anyone will notice?
Yeah, no.
I only trust one person on this planet. You're talking to her.
Give us a leg.
That's right. Ouch. My whole costume just like falls off. He's gonna ask us to stop filming.
Just to let you guys know, you guys can't shoot or photograph without permission.
Progressively gets worse and worse.
What was that? Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. How they like they'll run. to our destination.
Wow, what are you guys doing?
Oh, just some shooting, dude. She's a YouTuber.
Oh, YouTuber, oh wow.
Yeah, so she's doing a bit of like 360 camera work there. And I'm just filming like behind the scenes sort of thing as well.
She's got a 360 camera.
Too much girls have to pay for tampons. Unbelievable.
I thought you were Sonya Blade. He's out there smacking bitches up. Like, what's going on? Come in here. This is the real life of Sonya Blade. Of course, you would come in and get the largest pack of tampons going.
Well, no, like it's a good deal.
Oh my god.
You don't do things discreetly. You're gonna go all the way.
Why is anybody attracted to you? Sorry.
Nobody is. Nobody is. Poor me.
So what makes them organic? I've got more footage about tampons than I have anything else.
So that has been my Sonya Blade costume dress up type of thing. Leave some comments below of more characters of video games, TV shows, movies, anything that you think I would do well at dressing up with, and maybe I will. Alright, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Stay extraterrestrial. Okay, bye.